The star of today's video is a Mr. Markel Parks. He was once a standout football player who was being recruited by the Ohio State University. Now he's a felon on the run, wanted for murder. I'll go deeper into his criminal record at the end of this video. About an hour prior to this incident, the officers you're looking at right now attempted to stop this vehicle, but it fled, going the wrong way on two one-way streets.
The teal, we're right here at this intersection. We were behind you and you took off on us. Down on Newberry, you went the wrong way on a one-way at Ohio and Champion.
Went the wrong way on Ohio, went the wrong way on Champion in that same car that you were just in.
No, that's not me.
All right, man.
The Columbus police directives do not allow officers to pursue vehicles under those circumstances, so they were forced to let it go and notified the rest of the units in the area of the vehicle. A short time later, a walkie crew, also known as bike cops, found the vehicle and attempted another stop.
6, Bryce and 18.
Monty sends out a breath.
I'm gonna head over there towards the hospital area. Maybe that's where the vehicle's headed.
Keep pulling away from us, but pulling into the park.
Hey, get back on this side. That's where the walking area now.
This time, the vehicle ran a red light and fled to a park where a family gathering was being held. As the officers approached the vehicle, the crowd at the park began swarming the officers, trying to prevent them from doing their job.
Copy, we have a bunch of cruisers rolling up now.
They ran the red light at Main and 18th, and then these people are just coming up. This is owner. She's been cordial.
Where'd you guys get on the stop? Get them on.
No, I mean, we're just going to sit.
Rocky Paul.
Easy to do this driving. Let's go sit out the car. You drive it, step out the car. How much space to open? Step out the car. Come on. Step out the car. Step out the car.
Love you too.
Just calm down. Just calm down. Like, they're fine.
I want it. She's good.
You can record all you want. We're recording too. We're recording. That's cool.
I'm making sure she's in the car. Get in the car. Turn around.
Everybody get back.
Allow me to tap into this car.
So go back down.
Okay, just don't touch my car. Shut up! Cause you're pregnant. We ain't got no shit to do. No, they can't.
Go get my brother shot for me. Well, why the fuck don't stop?
traffic stop. Get back. Get back. Stay back. Enough. Enough. Right now, you guys have a problem. Get back. Get back. Get my girl. Get back. Get back.
Don't touch me.
Get back.
I just better, bro. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Excuse me. Wait a minute. I got a question. Wait. Hold on. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Excuse me. All right, wait a minute. He's not driving. How is the passenger getting arrested? Huh? Why is the passenger getting arrested?
I just got here, man. I'm trying to control you guys. I can't figure out what's going on while I'm doing
Okay,
this.
wait a minute. The traffic stop, he's not the driver, so why is he
We're allowed to get anyone out of the vehicle.
Why? The passenger has no reason.
Pennsylvania versus Mims. We're allowed to get anyone out of the vehicle.
No. Calm down.
Okay, for your safety, buddy, we're getting away from that scene right now. Yes, sir. You were driving under suspended license earlier.
We're going to have to move my cruiser all the way back there.
When you took off from us, you weren't?
Yeah, can you move it? Move that?
Yep.
As it turns out, the Columbus Police Gang Unit, also known as CIU, was also looking for Mr. Parks on this day. I believe he was wanted for questioning at the time for his involvement in a homicide that occurred at a Waffle House near the Ohio State University's campus several months prior. He was arrested during this incident and charged with driving without a license, failure to signal, and stop sign violation. He was taken to headquarters to be interviewed. I'm guessing the gang unit detectives interviewed him about the Waffle House homicide at this time. His driving was submitted to a grand jury, and he was indicted for failure to obey the order or signal of a law enforcement officer, a felony of the third degree. Homicide detectives later submitted their case to the grand jury, and he was later indicted for murder. He hasn't shown up to court on either of the cases, so he's either dead or still on the run somewhere. So, if you happen to know where Mr. Markel Parks is, you might want to call the police.